Assalamualaikum. I am Roma Begum, Assistant Headmaster, Amua Secondary Girls School, Amua Kathalia, Jhalukati. Dear learners, how are you? I think you are well. I am also well. Dear student, every educated mother fragrant a follower, and every family is a school. In its continuation, I will discuss about the girls' education for you. Okay, look at the blackboard and question. The chart below shows the benefits of girls' education. Here some information and discuss the chart. Here information number 1, improve health and nutrition. Number 2, reduce population growth. Number 3, increased economic productivity. Number 4, sustained development efforts. Okay. Number 1, improve health and nutrition. The chart shows the benefit of education. Educated girls are conscious of their health and nutrition. Their knowledge of nutrition enables them to provide their children a balanced diet. Thus, they contribute to build a healthy generation. Number 2, reduce population growth. This chart clear that a benefits of girls' education reduce population growth. Again, an educated girl is aware of the population explosion of a country. Naturally, an educated woman will not take more children. Thus, an educated woman helps the nation to control population. It can enable educated women. Number 3, increased economic productivity. Again, an educated woman is capable of doing more productive work. Capable to more productive work. She can apply her knowledge and talent in every aspect of her life. Like educated men, they can join the workforce outside home. Possible to educated girls. They can be doctors, engineers, high officials in God, and so on. Consequently, they themselves can improve their living condition, contributing to the economy of the country. Number 4, sustained development efforts. Look at the chart. Number 4, sustained development efforts. In fact, sustained development efforts can be successful only when both men and women of a country become educated can be successful as sustained development efforts. No nation in today's world has made enough progress keeping their women illiterate. The chart clear that some thus from the chart clear that girls education contributes a lot for a development of a nation. Dear student, benefits of girls education in successful chart for you. Now write a homework. Rani is your friend who want Dhaka to visit many interesting places. Now write a dialogue between you and your friend about some interesting place. Okay? Dear student, practice again and again. Stay at your home. You can be able to success in life. Okay? Thank you very much. See you again. Goodbye.